In this session, I'm going to teach you how to become a React developer in just 3 hours. So let's jump into the React development. So first thing which you required, you need to install into your system a Node.js environment, which actually runs your React project. And second thing, I will use Visual Studio Code for handling the whole code. And finally, once we install these two things into our system, we will jump into creating our first React app. So let's begin. So first we will just install Node.js into our machine. We will go to Node.js website. We will choose our system. Like I'm using Mac OS, so I will click on the Mac, and after that I will install it. So once Node.js installation is done, you can just open it and install it into your system. And after that, we will use Visual Studio Code. So after visiting the website of Visual Studio Code, which is actually developed by Microsoft, we will download it. So actually I am also already having this Visual Studio, so I'm just canceling it. So next step, we need to open our Visual Studio Code. We will choose a particular folder. We will run our whole project. So I'm just opening this React tutorial folder. Once our folder is open, after that we will open terminal, from where we actually create our first React app. So to create our first React app, we need to write a command npx create React app and our app name. So for now I am choosing our app name is React tutorial, and you have to just enter it. So right now it is downloading multiple dependencies and fetching them. It is also creating few templates so that you don't need to start it from scratch. It will take around 2 or 3 minutes installing the whole React dependencies, and it will give you a complete environment to start React app. So I'm just speeding it so that you can directly jump into the development. And yes, our app is finally installed and created into our system. Now it's time to run it so that we can see whether it is working finally or not. So for that we have to write another command npm start. So it will start the server. Oh, I think I'm in the wrong folder. So I have to first go into the folder name, which is React tutorial. And after that I have to start actually this React server. So now it's starting React server. Yes, so our first React app is ready, I guess. Finally our first React app is ready. So now it's time to edit it and just play with the features and functionality. So for that we will see you next. Thank you.